In this video, let's take a look at the reporting tools and see how we can use these tools to analyze the performance of your facility and help you make data-driven manufacturing improvements. The reporting tools can be accessed using the sidebar, and as you can see, 6 different reports are available. 3 graphical reports and 3 searchable lists. So let's dive into each of these and learn a bit more about what each report shows us. So the first shows completed or cancelled job sheets. You can search for a specific job sheet by name or ID, filter the results using tags, specify an alternative date range, or choose to only see completed or cancelled job sheets. The data can be sorted by selecting the column headers and can also be downloaded as a CSV file. The downloaded file contains more information, things like timestamps, which could help create a more advanced and detailed picture of your facility's performance. If you're interested in a specific job sheet, selecting it brings up more details, including the list of tasks, any details associated with the job sheet, and it also allows you to visualize the status report. If you're looking at a cancelled job sheet, you can see how many tasks were completed before the job sheet was cancelled. At this stage, pressing the Other Actions icon provides the ability to print the job sheet or the status report. The second report contains a searchable list of archived job instructions. With similar filtering and sorting tools, it's easy to find the job instruction you're interested in. Selecting one shows the associated tasks and details. Expanding a task shows task-specific details, including estimated times, required components, task instructions, as well as any attachments. The job instruction can be unarchived from here, allowing you to dispatch it once again to the shop floor. This brings us to the completed tasks report. Here you can see a list of all the completed tasks in a specified time period. Once again, the data can be downloaded as a CSV file, allowing you to create custom reports. Selecting a task shows the checklist, details including attachments and required components. The quality report shows the number of parts produced compared to the number of scrapped parts. This information is shown graphically, making it nice and easy to visualize. If you'd rather create your own, the raw data can once again be downloaded as a CSV file. The data can be filtered by job instruction, job sheet, or workstation, and a date range can be specified. Workstation utilization shows the time a workstation spends in each status and generates a utilization percentage based on a time spent operating as a fraction of the total time period. The data can be filtered by workstation and date, and by hovering over the data, we get a detailed breakdown of the time spent in each status, as well as the utilization percentage itself. Once again, the data can be downloaded so you can create your own custom reports. The final report shows workstation availability, and again compares the time a workstation spends in each status. The difference here is the availability statistic itself. Availability is defined as the amount of time not spent in either of the 2 offline statuses, compared with the total time. This therefore means that the machine is either producing or it was available to produce. I hope you found this tutorial video useful. Please continue watching the videos in this series for more helpful information about how to use Fusion Production. Thanks for watching.